In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 best laptops in the USA for 2026, especially focusing on the best budget-friendly options that give you maximum value for your money. Now, whether you're a student, a working professional, a gamer, or just someone looking for a reliable everyday laptop, this list is designed to help you choose the perfect machine without overspending. Back-end index pointing right, and before we begin, just a quick reminder. All the product links are given in the description below for your convenience, so you can easily check the latest prices and grab the best deals. All right, let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the HP 14 laptop powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor. This is the most affordable laptop on our list and is ideal for basic everyday use. If your main tasks include browsing the web, attending online classes, working on documents, or watching videos, this laptop can handle all of that quite comfortably. In terms of pricing, you'll usually find it in the range of around $180 to $200, making it one of the best entry-level laptops available in the USA right now. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, which is enough for light usage, but you shouldn't expect heavy multitasking or demanding applications. The design is slim and portable, and the 14-inch display is decent for daily tasks. Overall, it's a great choice if you're on a very tight budget. Moving on to number 4, we have the Dell 15 Laptop DC1-5250, and this is where things start to get more interesting. This laptop is a big step up from basic entry-level devices and offers a much smoother and faster experience. This one typically comes in at around $330 to $370, depending on current deals. It features an Intel Core 3 processor, along with 8 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, which makes a huge difference in performance. Everything from boot times to app loading feels much faster. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate also gives you a smoother viewing experience, which is great for both work and entertainment. If you want something that feels fast and responsive without spending too much, this is a fantastic option. Now coming in at number 3, we have the HP Pavilion 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop, and this is what I would call the sweet spot for most users. It offers a perfect balance between performance, features, and price. You'll usually find this laptop priced between $420 to $460. It comes with an AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, 8 GB RAM, and a 256 GB SSD, which is more than enough for smooth daily performance. One of its standout features is the touchscreen display, which adds flexibility and makes the overall experience more interactive. Whether you're working, studying, attending meetings, or doing some light creative work, this laptop handles everything smoothly. It also comes with modern features like Wi-Fi 6 and AI-based enhancements, making it feel future-ready. For most people, this is going to be the perfect all-rounder. At number 2, we have the Asus ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop, and this is for those who need serious power. This is not just a laptop. It's a performance machine designed for gamers and heavy users. This laptop usually falls in the price range of around $1,400 to $1,600. It comes packed with an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB DDR5 RAM, and an RTX 5060 GPU, which means it can handle modern AAA games, video editing, programming, and heavy multitasking with ease. The high refresh rate display makes gaming incredibly smooth, and the overall build quality is premium. If performance is your top priority and you want something that can handle anything you throw at it, this laptop is absolutely worth considering. And finally, at number 1, we have the Apple MacBook Neo 13-inch with the A18 Pro chip, which is easily the best overall laptop on this list. This laptop usually comes in at around $550 to $620, and it delivers a premium experience at a very competitive price. The A18 Pro chip is incredibly efficient and powerful, offering smooth performance across all tasks, whether it's work, multitasking, or even content creation. The Liquid Retina display looks stunning, the battery life is excellent, and the overall design is sleek and lightweight. It also includes Apple Intelligence features, making it a future-ready device for AI-based workflows. Whether you're a student, professional, or creator, this laptop fits perfectly into almost any use case. If you want the best overall combination of performance, design, and reliability, the MacBook Neo takes the top spot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and budget-friendly recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay productive, stay smart, and keep upgrading your tech.